Acting U.S. Education Secretary John King kicks off his national tour of schools with a visit to Bowie High School on Thursday. During his stop, he hailed EPISD as a leader in innovation and bilingual education.
El Paso in many ways represents the future. We are a country that is increasingly diverse, a country that is increasingly multilingual, and so the approach that El Paso is taking to leveraging students' native language as an asset, I think is a model that we hope to see in other places around the country. This is a community that sees many of the students being English learners as an opportunity, and sees an opportunity to use dual language approaches to make sure that students graduate not only bilingual but biliterate, able to be successful in both English and Spanish. And I think that's a model really for the country.
King began his visit with a tour of the Bowie Garden and ended the stop with a roundtable discussion on education with local leaders and EPISD Superintendent Juan Cabrera.
Working with English language learners and focusing on dual language as a tool rather than traditional bilingual education is one of the strategies that we use here.
We have a high population of English language learners, and the conversation is now becoming a national one. But Bowie and El Paso are really in the forefronters of this conversation, and we have the opportunity to not only be affected by policy, but affect policy. And the work that our Superintendent Cabrera is doing and the rest of us working with our elected officials, we are going to have a big part of that conversation in shaping policy that's going to affect our district.